Does the Sphinx Airport have Visa on arrival and money exchange available? What about SIM cards and Uber? My name's Gisselle. I'm an American who's been living in Egypt for over 2.5 years. And today I'm going to be briefly showing you my experience entering Egypt through the Sphinx International Airport in Giza. Yalla. Here we are flying over Giza, about to land at the Sphinx Airport. I flew in with the budget airline Wizz Air, which flew directly from Budapest in Hungary to Giza and took around 4 hours. Just landed from Budapest and going to try to show you the Sphinx Airport. Still on the plane though, so once I get off I will try to film as much as possible. After passing through the jetway into the airport terminal, you will walk through a skywalk that leads you to immigration and passport control, passing over other terminals and a not yet operational duty-free shop. Hello from the Sphinx Airport. I'm going to be showing you a little bit of the check-in process, if I can manage to film the whole time. A little bit about the Sphinx International Airport. It is a relatively new airport in Giza and is a much smaller airport than Cairo International, which makes the ease of both check-in and check-out much faster than Cairo International Airport. The Sphinx Airport offers direct flights from cities in Europe such as London, Rome, Milan, Berlin, Budapest, and Copenhagen, to other cities in or near the Middle East, such as Istanbul and Antalya in Turkey, Dubai and Abu Dhabi in the UAE, Riyadh and Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, and more. I was handed an arrival card by this man, which you must fill out before reaching the immigration officer at passport control. So bring a pen if you don't want to be asking around for one when you land. Once you head down the escalators, you have reached the immigration and passport control area. Ahead of me, you can see two banks, Bank Masr on the right and Banque du Caire straight ahead. This is where you are able to buy your visa on arrival, which costs $25 US, but you can also pay in euros or Great British pounds if you do not have US dollars. You are also able to exchange money at these banks, and to the left there are ATMs where you are able to withdraw some local currency if you'd like. Right over here is the line for immigration. It was almost completely empty as I arrived at 3 in the morning. I heard there is a wee kiosk where you can purchase a local SIM card, though to be honest, I wasn't paying close attention and didn't see it myself, nor am I sure of its hours of operation. As far as I'm aware, they do not have the other major communication companies here yet, such as Vodafone, Orange, or Etisalat. Honestly though, getting your SIM card in the city is cheaper anyways. I'm filming a video about SIM cards in Egypt with prices soon, which I will leave a link to here and in the description of this video when it is finished. After buying my visa, I passed through immigration, where the officer put the visa sticker into my passport for me, and then immediately ran into the baggage claim area. This is happening so fast. So I just got my luggage, went through security, or immigration. I'm about to go through security. Happening very quickly. Very small airport. Right next to the baggage claim lies customs, where they check your passport for your visa, run your bags through an X-ray baggage scanner, and you're out. That was so fast. I didn't even have time to record, and with security, I didn't want to film like the immigration desks. But it was get the visa, quick immigration, pick up your luggage, and pass through security all within like a room or two. Now I'm outside. Ordered an Uber, gonna be picking up in the parking lot just over here. Should be here in like 3 minutes, so smooth, easy process. Yes. And that was a quick look into the Sphinx International Airport in Giza.
I know it wasn't as detailed as my videos normally are, but I was a little bit tired at 3 in the morning and it's all I managed to film. But I hope that helped. If it did, give it a big like and subscribe for more, because I will soon be making videos about how to bargain in the markets here in Egypt, as well as local transportation like the subway and the microbuses, local cuisine, and a lot more. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama.